Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp AI assistants for free using Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant absolutely for free as we provide you 100 free credit of messages every month. Okay? So now as you're going to create this amazing AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow, what is going to happen that whenever by your customers you receive any of your inquiries related to your business on WhatsApp as a message, automatically this amazing AI assistant is going to send a reply to them. If you want to learn how to create this amazing AI assistant for WhatsApp for your business for free using Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how you can build your own smart WhatsApp AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part is you can get started absolutely for free. Yes, Pabbly Chatflow gives you 100 free message credits so you can test and use your own WhatsApp assistant without paying a single rupee upfront. This AI assistant will help your customers explore your services, get instant replies, and even raise support queries, all automatically 24/7. But before that, before jumping into creating it, I'm going to show you how this AI assistant actually works from a customer's point of view so you can get a clear idea of what we are going to build together in this video. So this is the AI assistant and this is my WhatsApp number. From my WhatsApp number towards this AI assistant, I'm going to send a message. So I'm going to send a message to this bot over here as, hey, I need help. I'm going to send a message towards this AI assistant right here. And within few seconds, you can see I've received a reply. Of course, what do you need help with? I'm here to assist you. Okay. So this AI assistant has responded. So my question over here is going to be, I want to know about your CRM platform. Okay, I'm an owner of a CRM platform, a SaaS product. So I'm going to ask this question towards this bot right here. Okay, and as I've sent this message towards this bot, within few seconds, this bot is going to send me a reply. And you can see in front of you, I have received a reply. Absolutely. Here's an overview of Client Nest CRM platform. Key features is contact management, lead management, deal pipeline, and sales tracking. You can see it has sent me a very long message right over here describing the business, that is Client Nest CRM platform. Okay. So you can see this is how this AI agent is going to reply to all my clients' messages. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this amazing AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow absolutely for free without need of any coding and programming skills. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Okay. After browsing the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you, on which you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for absolutely free and get 100 free credit points every month to test your own flows right here. Okay, so you can sign up for free and get your 100 free credit points. I'm already an existing user, so I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account from here. Then the All Pabbly Apps window is going to appear in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button beneath it right here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. And on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, you can find the credits allotted to you. Mine allotted credit points is 32,000. But as you're going to sign up for free, you're going to have 100 free credits allotted already in your account. Okay. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is an amazing tool by Pabbly that helps businesses to send WhatsApp messages and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. To set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to add your WhatsApp number from here, in which you can find two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn the entire process of setting up your Pabbly Chatflow account by either of the methods, you can find the video of the tutorials in the description box below. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the videos that I've added in the description box below. Okay. Now to create a new AI assistant in our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side, we have to go towards this AI assistant field right over here. This is the AI assistant page of our Pabbly Chatflow account, and over here you can find all the AI assistant that you have already created. Okay. Now to create a new AI assistant, I'm going to click on this this add AI assistant button right here. And firstly, we need to name our assistant. For the name over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the name, Smart AI Assistant. I'm going to name this AI Assistant. I'm going to add it from here, okay? As I've done that, you can see a new AI Assistant in the name of Smart AI Assistant has been created in my Pabbly Chatflow account, okay? As now this AI Assistant has been created, firstly it is asking for the AI instructions. For the AI instructions, you have examples as AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent. I'm going to use AI agent as my instruction type right over here, okay? You can select the instruction type over here according to your requirement, okay? Now, as we're going to select the instruction type, automatically all the instructions of this AI assistant is going to appear in front of you, the role and all the other details, okay? If you want to add any other points over here in the instructions according to your requirements, you can definitely do that. So now after the instructions, it says temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is how creative the response you want to give towards your customer with the help of this AI assistant. We have the range from 0 to 1. 0 being the most simple response, 1 being the most creative response, okay? I want the response in the middle. So I'm going to select my temperature over here as 0.5. If you want, you can select the temperature according to your requirement from 0 to 1, okay? So now after selecting the temperature of the reply that we're going to send towards our customer through this AI assistant, after that it is asking for the AI model that is going to provide the answers, okay? That is going to generate the response and send it towards our customer. So for the AI model, I'm going to use OpenAI right here, okay? After selecting the AI right over here as OpenAI, it is asking for us to select the model inside OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to use GPT-4o Mini. If you want to use any other AI model of your OpenAI account, you can definitely do that according to your requirement, okay? After that, it's asking for the API token. You're going to find this API token in your OpenAI account. To have this API token, go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk right here, okay? Then this OpenAI API keys page is going to appear in front of you. And now to generate a token, click on this create button. Firstly, it is asking for the name of my key. For that, I'm going to give it as test key right over here as the name of my key. Okay. Project is going to be default. Permission is going to be all. I'm going to generate the token from here. It is generated. I'm going to copy it from here and paste it in this API token field right here and click on this connect button. Okay. As I've done that, it says OpenAI key saved successfully. Okay, we have entered the API token right here. After that, it is asking for the AI assistant settings. Okay, first is the header message, footer message. If you want to add a header message and the footer message, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Next is stop keywords. Okay, so let's suppose a customer starts an AI assistant by sending a WhatsApp message. Now a customer wants to stop that AI assistant. For that, we can use the stop keyword field right here, toggle this button on, and simply you can add some keywords. Let's suppose my keyword is stop. I'm going to write it and press enter key to save the keyword. My next keyword is by. In this manner, you can add multiple keywords according to your requirement. After that, it is retry attempt. Okay, so let's suppose a customer asks a question and the AI assistant doesn't understand. So how many attempts do you want to give towards your customer? I only want to give one attempt, so I'm going to select as 1. The max number of attempts you can give is 10, so you can select it from 1 to 10. Okay, I'm only giving 1, so I'm going to select it as 1. Okay. After that, it is asking for the fallback message. What is a fallback message? So let's suppose a customer asks a question towards this AI assistant, but this AI assistant doesn't know the answer towards the question. So now in this situation, the customer is going to receive this fallback message over here. You can enter the fallback message according to your requirement. I am going to enter a new fallback message in place of this message right here. That is going to be, so this is my fallback message. I'm still learning and may not have the exact answer right now, but don't worry, our support team has received your query and will reach out to you shortly. You can also contact us on this email address or directly call us on this number for immediate help. Okay, so this is the fallback message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they ask a question that this AI agent doesn't know how to answer. Okay, So this is how I've set up this first step, that is AI instructions. After setting up my AI instructions, now let us move on to this knowledge source. Now this AI assistant is going to answer towards all my customers' inquiry with the help of a knowledge base. Knowledge base is a knowledge with the help of which the AI assistant is going to find the answer and respond towards my customer. In the knowledge base, we have to mention each and everything about our company first, what our company provides, benefits, and all the details specified each and everything in the knowledge base. I'm going to show you the knowledge base that I have created for my business. So this is the knowledge base that I've created for my business. My business name is Client Nest CRM. Okay. You can see firstly I've described and given an introduction of my business right over here in brief. What is my company, what all the things that we do, my support team details, and all the other things. You can see this is the brief introduction of my company. Okay. You have to write the introduction of your company in the similar manner. And then I have introduced the core features first. You can see these are all the core features of my company, my SaaS product. You can see right here I have mentioned each and everything right here. Then I've written industry specific templates. You can see over here these are the details, pricing plans that I have. I mentioned it right over here. Data privacy and security, you can see I've mentioned it. Customer support channels, onboarding and training, customization capabilities. You can see I've mentioned each and everything in this knowledge base right over here. This is the test knowledge base that I've created for a test dummy business. For your own business, you have to create a very brief knowledge base about your business and mention each and everything over here, using which an AI assistant is going to reply towards all our customers' inquiries. Okay, we have to create a knowledge base in a TXT format and upload it right here. For the knowledge source, I'm going to upload the file. I'm going to click on this button right over here. I'm going to open the knowledge base. This is a knowledge base. We have to enter the knowledge base in a text document. I'm going to select it and open it right over here. The document that I've uploaded should be in a TXT format. Okay, so I've uploaded it right here. So this is the knowledge base. Okay. After uploading the knowledge base, let's move on to our next section, that is assistant interface. Now over here, firstly, it is asking for the header display name. This is going to be our header display name. So over for the name, I'm going to write it as Client Nest CRM. I have named my business name as the header right here. Next is header display subheading. We are online and happy to assist you. This is a subheading. If you want to make any changes in it, you can definitely do that from here. Initial messages, hi there, how can I help you today? If you want to add another initial message over here, you can definitely do that, as you can enter 2 initial messages right here. Okay, it says display the Power by Pabbly. If you want to display this Power by Pabbly, you can enable it and disable it from here. Okay, after that is footer text, that is privacy policy. Footer text, you can also use it as a hyperlink as well. So this is the privacy policy, you can see right over here, and create a hyperlink by adding the link right over here in the footer link. Okay, it is user first message right here. So what is the initial message that a user can send? I have written it as I need help. If you want to add another message, you can definitely do that according to your requirement as an initial message. So this is how I've set up my assistant interface right here. Now I have the last section left, that is styling. I'm going to select it. This is the styling intersection right over here. You can select the theme of your display right here, the shape of your assistant with all the colors, profile picture, assistant profile, and the background. You can definitely select all these details according to your brand's theme. Okay, I want the same theme, so I'm going to skip the part. So I have successfully created this smart AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow for free. To save this AI assistant, firstly toggle the button on of this AI assistant right here and save it from here. Okay, automatically within few seconds this AI assistant will be saved successfully. If you want to add this AI assistant on your website page, what you have to do is simply go to this embedded right here, and you can find this script, copy it from here and add it in your website code, and automatically this AI assistant is going to be added in your website as well. Okay, so now as I've saved this AI assistant successfully, I want to test this AI assistant. For that, I'm going to send a message towards this AI assistant from my WhatsApp number. So let's suppose I'm going to send a message to this AI assistant, my first initial message over here as I need help. I'm going to send this message towards this AI assistant. and within few seconds it has replied, what do you need assistance with? Let me know. I'll do my best to assist you. Okay. So this is the message that I've received from this assistant. Now I'm going to send a question towards this bot over here as. So this is the question. What are your pricing plans? Okay. I'm going to send this question towards this AI assistant right here. And within few seconds, I have received a reply. Here are the pricing plans, the starter plan, the pro plan, and the enterprise plan. Okay. You can see right away it says each plan includes mobile access and free updates along with 14 days free trial to help you explore the features. So this bot has automatically replied. So that is how you easily create your own WhatsApp AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow without writing any coding and programming skills. And the best part is completely for free to get started. Just with few simple steps, you can automate customer support, guide users through your services, and make your business available 24/7 on WhatsApp to your customers. Pabbly Chatflow gives you 100 free message credits so you can get started and test your own AI assistant today. So now it's your turn, so go ahead and try it out for your business. Whether you're a CRM platform owner or any other service provider, this AI assistant will make a true difference. So go ahead and make your WhatsApp conversations effortless. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue in Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link. If you want to try your own test bot today with Pabbly Chatflow, you can do it absolutely for free as we provide 100 free credit points. So go and check out Pabbly Chatflow today.